mortars at forward posts in Jammu and Kashmir, Punch. Quiraman Imam Market clean under Swachh Survekshan 2020. An International Day for Elderly People and World Heart Day observed in Manipur. Hello and welcome to Times of Manipur News. You are watching News Today and I'm JESSIA giving you the news in details. The Pakistan Army today targeted forward posts and villages in Jammu and Kashmir Poonch district with mortar shells and small arms firing. According to reports, the Indian Army retaliated and heavy exchange of fire was still going on when last reports were received and 6 persons were injured in the incident. As part of the Swachh Survekshan 2020, a one-day awareness program on the adverse effect of plastic use in the environment was conducted at Quiraman Imam Market today. The awareness program was jointly organized by Mahud Department and Imphal Municipal Council. Officials of Mahud and IMC, Manipur Police, Manipur Fire Service and members of KEDO cleaned Imam Market and its surroundings. Taking part in the program, Mahud Minister T.H. Shyamkumar stressed on the need to keep Quiraman Market clean, saying the market is the mirror of Manipur society. He urged the people and the vendors of Ima Kaithil to maintain cleanliness in and around the market. Shyamkumar also appealed for making Imphal city clean by cultivating the habit of disposing garbage at proper places. The minister further appealed to vendors to opt for an eco-friendly one instead of plastic.
Imphal city se phambiriba dukan phambiriba Podom Biriba Amadi Karbatabu Mayamjina Isa Isagi Pamiba Zagazaga Isa Isagi Labor Dukan Singatu Isa Isagi Sakumangni Isa Isagi Tunda Pamuni Kalakanda Wakatu Sialakanda de Akoi Nala Luna Tamungam whenever.
State NCD Cell, National Health Mission Manipur, in association with District NCD Cell, Imphal East and NCD Cell Imphal West and Manipur Heart Foundation observed the International Day for Elderly People and World Heart Day at the Medical Directorate, Lamphilpat today. As part of today's event, a joint medical team of Manipur Heart Foundation, Wangoi Community Health Center, Primary Health Center, Haingang and Community Health Center, Simai, conducted a heart disease screening camp.
Hajik se khoi ne jathari jariba hello center singda khoi ne khangan janing se khoi hello center amada khoi patient manga muki changda khoi yum da chatlaga mkhoi leite lairaba sing organizer sing de chum chatlaga khoi staff sing nursing ANM sing na mkhoi bu yum da seba to bagi facility amasu khoi leidi habadum mayam da khangan janingi.
Under the Ministry of Road Transport, the National Highway Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited and HIDCL kick off a campaign on recycling plastic waste at Thoubal Mela Ground today. The event will continue till 27th of this month. At the opening day, a public awareness rally conveying messages on putting a stop to single-use plastic was held. The rally was flagged off by Superintendent of Police Thoubal Dr. S. Ibomcha from in front of Thoubal Municipal Council office and culminated at Thoubal Mela Ground. Children Club Hainawok under People's Resource Development Association PRDA, Bishnupur, Hainawok Awang Mayrapaibi Loop and Namoy Kul Young Star Club NYSC jointly observed the 123rd birth anniversary of Hizam Irabot at Hainawok, Namoy Kul yesterday. The observance was attended by Pradhan of Iringbam Gram Panchayat, I. Gopin, sponsor, coordinator of PRDA, Bishnupur Action Ed, M. Snatomba, and others. Talking in this regard, L. Latarani underlined the need of the masses to translate into action all words and wishes of pioneer Irabot. On the other hand, Pradhan I. Gopin said the event commemorates Irabot ideologies and contribution to the Manipur society.
livelihood to support the way women women through the ngasisu ay dum gangsida tajase logeraga angangi any problem ali ma medical related hoigara education madang hoigara shelter madang hoigara kana lejara singi damak mateng pangna bi damak childline foundation india aina sulai high diversity through the angan sigi education shelter fooding medical everything ngamjaba mateng khara tawbai
mipung khudi magna asigum laba hijam erabot asigum laba thau balam yan basibo tangai phadana ekoi ningsin roma thau tai apaba leba ka masiamsi asakot pa samaj ma siamsi hai taragadi ekoi starting from grassroots level da leba ekoi panchayat level tagi ekoi yamna siamkar pa sagapa tangai phadana thamoi seng ekoi tawba masangi ha changbra hai base.
Now it's time for a small commercial break. Coming up next is news on new gym called At Last Fitness Center, a branch of Animal Gym, inaugurated today at Lamjingbatomtv.
Nupi ekhoi khongthang khuding seksiningai gi seksiningai ngaktani mafam matam khudimakta aina cheksinduna talakli adubu mahausayi khongchatnina khudung thiningai atumak oi Manipur da ahan boina iramdam masida sajaba ningol khudo adubu ngasidi ekhoi chingnaningai oidre Bright Enterprises ki Ningo Kudo.
Welcome back after the break. With an objective to make healthy and a life free from drugs, a new gym called At Last Fitness Center, a branch of Animal Gym, was inaugurated today at Lamjingbatomtv, Haibong Pokpi of Imphal West by the national awardee and founder of Animal Gym, R.K. Biswajit. Speaking to TOMTV, R.K. Biswajit said that the main focus of the gym is to motivate the youth to get involved in healthy activities and to keep them away from drugs. He added that being trained in a gym can also get job opportunities such as becoming a fitness instructor at other health-related centers.
Jimje sana gergadi mayam nung khange akoina nisasanu haibdi yaroi nung phadok yu mayam pharaga mai thadok punsu yaroi ado akoina pamidi masa matumda exercise tawriba sanariba midudi akoina nisa phana saw hairga su pijerga su yaroi daba aduna akoina maruina nisa thingbagi muhuta angang singje masa matumda manungdagi sanajaraga nisa saw yadaba adugi pandamda hangdoksabani akoiga mayam tawriba government tawrisiga akoiga wakhallon jam khenajare government ngi nisa je phabiraga angang phubira khotpira tawba mayam yawi akoiga angang si yo sanhalaga masa matum nisa saw yadanaba adugi wakhallon da hangdoksabani.
Joypur Kanau Youth Club observed the 123rd birth anniversary of Jananeta Hizam Irabot yesterday at Joypur Kanau Community Hall, Bishnupur. Marking the observance, Meritorious Award 2019 were also distributed. The event was attended by MLA of Bishnupur constituency Govindas Kontaujam, Chairperson of Bishnupur Municipal Council El Maniyaima, Professor Dr. K.H. Keso of Nambol Sanoy College, along with former members of JYC K.H. Mani and M. Hazur. At the event, El Maniyaima stressed on the role and responsibilities of everyone in taking the society forward. Prizes were also distributed to meritorious students of classes 10 and 12 on the occasion. "43rd Assam Rifles Moray organized a free medical camp at Adulam Rehabilitation Center located at Guite Vang, Moray. During the camp, free medical consultation was given to the participants besides distributing free medicines to them. Around 77 individuals were benefited from the free medical camp. Law school across India today launched a collaborative legal aid clinic for people excluded from the updated National Registered Citizens NRC in Assam. The clinic, named Pariche identity and to be based in Guwahati will function as a clearinghouse of litigation and research assistance for lawyers filing appeals against exclusion from the NRC. According to media reports, more than 19 lakh out of total of 3.3 crore applicants were left out of the Supreme Court Monitor NRC that was published on August 31st. Those who were left out are required to file appeals against their exclusion within 120 days of receiving their rejection order from the NRC authority. Now, once again, it's time for a short break. Keep watching.
For the first time in Manipur, JESSIA IAS Academy brings you the state-of-art grooming center for future IAS, IPS and other civil service officers here in Imphal. Shri Oinam Nabakisore IAS retired former Chief Secretary Manipur along with experienced faculties trained in Delhi will convert your dreams into realities. The Academy provides courses for prelims, mains and personality test of UPSC along with optional subjects, philosophy, public administration, sociology and Manipuri. Interested aspirants may join free 3 trial classes. For more details, kindly visit the Academy located at Kaisamthong near Ramlal Pol High Secondary School, Imphal. Please contact 8259916469. Also visit our Facebook page at JESSIA IAS Academy.
Welcome back after the break. The Tripura government has decided to challenge Tripura High Court's landmark verdict banning animal sacrifice in the state's temple. Tripura Law Minister Ratan Lal Nath said that the state government had decided to move the apex court seeking a different opinion on the matter. The minister told media person that the subject is itself controversial in the nature and there are people in both sides supporting the verdict and opposing too. He added that as government, they respect the verdict of High Court, but as a subject invited wide range of reactions from the different corridors of the society. The government wants a wider view on the matter and have decided to file a special leave petition SLP with the apex court seeking a wider outcome on the issue. After getting the verdict, he said they had discussed the matter in the cabinet. The verdict was given predicting to specific act, the Article 25(1) of the Indian Constitution, which ensures right to religion and Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act 1960. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Tuesday wished President Ramnath Kovind on his 74th birthday today. As previous report, Modi wrote on social media, one can always see his passion towards empowering the poor and downtrodden. He also added, India had gained significantly from Mr. Kovind's insights and understandings of policy matters. A bridge collapsed into a harbor in northeastern Taiwan this morning, crushing several fishing boats with some crew feared trap, authorities said. Although the number of casualties was not immediately clear. Several injured people were taken to hospital while drivers plunged into the water in search for those feared trapped in a couple of fishing boats. Air Force helicopters and more than 60 Army and naval personnel, including divers, are searching for potential victims. 6 people are believed trapped on one of the boats. 10 people have been sent to hospital, 6 of them were seriously injured. Other reports said at least 14 people were injured. Now the sports news. Javelin thrower Anu Rani delighted the Indian fans by qualifying for the final yesterday. 27-year-old Anu Rani became the first Indian to qualify for the women's javelin throw final at the IAF World Championships. She will be in action in the 12th women final today at the Khalifa Stadium in Doha. Anu finished 3rd in Group A and qualified for the finals at the 5th best performer of the qualification round. She achieved her personal best with a throw of 62.43 meter. Only 2 javelin throwers, Asian champion Liu Huihui, 67.27 meter of China, and Christian Husong, 65.29 meter of Germany, could cross the automatic qualification mark of 63.50 meter, while another 10, including Anu met up the 12 who will compete in the finals. Now we have the newspaper headlines.
The Sangay Express. Unity, the ideal of Irabot recalled on Irabot Day. Traffic chaos add to confusion in busy market areas. Chief Minister promises to highlight National Institute of Technology needs to center. Against single-use plastic, not plastic-free India. Imphal Free Press. Irabot stood for unity, love and sacrifice. State celebrates Jananeta's 123rd birthday with statue unveiled. Governor appeals for concerted effort in war against drugs. The Morning Bell. 123rd birth anniversary of Irabot observed. For peace and stability in state, one must follow principles of Irabot, says Chief Minister. International Conference on Combating Illicit Trafficking of Afghan Opiates and Drugs in Northeast begins. Desam warns to intensify movement against biased MU recruitment. 12-year-old girl swept away by Imphal River. Minister Nemcha flags off Posan Ma cycle rally. The People's Chronicle. Chief Minister calls for celebrating Irabot Day together. Dr. Heptula for joint fight against illicit trafficking. Chief Minister promises upgrade of NIT Manipur. Pognafam scribe Sonia awarded. Protection and Preservation Committee Manipur gives clarion call for unity in integrity issue.
Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Pakistan Army throws mortar at forward post in Jammu and Kashmir, Poonch. Quiraman Imam Market clean under Swat Survekshan 2020. An International Day for Elderly People and World Heart Day observed in Manipur. That's all we have in this bulletin. Keep watching Times of Manipur News.